Hello and welcome back to another holistic education video. In this video, we'll be continuing our series on the 25 hardest SAT math problems of this year according to Prep Maven. In this video, we'll be looking at problem number 16, which says the expression 1/3 x squared minus 2 can be rewritten as 1/3 x minus k times x plus k, where k is a positive constant. What is the value of k? 2, 6, square root of 2, or square root of 6? So we'll start by writing this out. We have given 1/3 x squared minus 2, and that says that that can be rewritten as 1/3 x minus k times x plus k. And we have to find the value of k that makes these two equal to each other, so we can set them equal to each other and solve. But the first really keen insight that will make this a lot easier to solve is to realize what the pattern here is with this. We have x minus k times x plus k. That is the product of the difference and sum of two variables, which of course is equal to a difference of squares. So in this case, x squared minus k squared. X squared minus k squared factors into x minus k times x plus k. So this is actually, in fact, equal to 1/3 x squared minus k squared. And now, if we set these two expressions equal to each other, it will be very straightforward to solve. We have 1/3 x squared minus 2 equals 1/3 x squared minus k squared. If we can multiply by 3 on both sides, we will cancel out these 1/3 terms, and we will get x squared minus 6, because 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, equals, this cancels with this, x squared minus k squared. And now, hopefully, this seems very straightforward. We have x squared minus 6 equals x squared minus k squared, which is easy to see that that means that k squared equals 6. 6k squared, they're the same thing. If you wanted to, you could subtract x squared from both sides, multiply by negative 1, but it's pretty straightforward just to see that these must be equal to each other. And now that we have k squared equals 6, we can take the square root of both sides and find that k is equal to the square root of 6. Square root of 6 is our final answer, which corresponds to option D. D is the final answer. If you take square root of 6, plug it back into this equation for k, and simplify it out, you will end up with 1/3 x squared minus 2. So that's the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.